Hello and welcome back to this channel. Thanks for coming back. Really appreciate it. If you subscribe to the channel, if you didn't, please quickly do that. Please subscribe to our channel. It really helps us. Thank you so much. Now let's get on with this video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to merge multiple clips in Capcut. Merge multiple clips. Now, first of all, you know how to launch your Capcut. Launch your Capcut, then click on new project, import the video clips you want to merge. After that, you add them to the clips to the timeline. I've already done that. Now, this is the thing, I didn't want to use different video clips, so I just took a particular video and split them using the splits button here. I split them into different parts, so I'm going to now merge them together. Yes, because I didn't have different video clips to do that. So now we're going to do that. Now the different ways you can do it, what I mean by different ways and different things you can do to the clips, each of the clips. Now you can click on a clip in the timeline and drag the edges to adjust its duration. For example, if I want this to last longer, I just simply drag this. Okay, now the problem I'm having is that this one is not good to try how I put it. Don't follow the rules. Now the rule is supposed to be I'm supposed to take different clips, but I have the same clip split into different parts. So now when I try to drag it, I'm just opening up the entire video. This is not exactly what I want to do. So but yours, I believe you have different clips, so just pull the clips, drag it to adjust their duration, and we'll do that for different clips. Now once you've done that, you can also add transition for smoother flow. Let's say I want to add transition between this and this, so if I bring this here, all right, so in between I want to add transition. So up here, click on transition here, and then you choose the transition you want. So we have this, we have this, we have different ones. Let's say I want to use this. Yeah, let's use this. Simple. So I pull it and I put it right here. Oh, but I totally ruined this video, by the way. This is not how it was arranged. I totally ruined it. You can hear the total catastrophe I just did there. Anyway, it's okay. Now to just ruin everything, let's do this again. Let's just import the clip. It's just one video clip. That is why I tried to, but let's just do something else instead. Let me bring in the clip. Let me bring it in and then just split it into maybe just three. Three should be okay. So it's as if I have three different clips. So let's do it. Let's do the beginning, then the center, and then towards the end. So now to add transition to it, so the first place I want to add the transition. So I click on transition up here. This is simple basic one. We have the pull-in, we have this. Let's use this one. This one is cool. So you pull it and you bring it right there in between. So let's do another transition for this one. Let's use 3D space. You use that for fold over. Rotate. Let's try the rotate. Yeah, that was cool. Anyway, now that transition, like I said, after you saw how I did it, I chose the transition effects I wanted, dragged it in between the clips, and now I can also adjust the duration. So it should be okay. Let's check it. Adjust the duration of the first transition. I mean, sorry about that. Let's do that again. I am extending instead of taking the transition. Okay. So I've already clicked out, so let's go back to transition. Let's play the video from the beginning actually. We're ready? Press play. We are previewing the video. Now because of time, I'm going to skip to the parts we need. Let me skip to the parts we need. Close to where the transition needs to take place. Yeah. Next. That's it. That's the first transition. Now let's do the next one. not to waste your time, that's why I'm skipping it. You saw that? Very smooth. That's it. That's very smooth. So once you do that, you click the preview button to see how your merged videos looks, and then once you're satisfied, click on export to save your merged videos. Now, like I did earlier, I use my split tool, so you can use a split tool to divide a clip into multiple parts to cut at specific points. Add music and sound effect. Mine already has music, it already has sound effect, it has effects, and I need extra. But you can enhance your merged video by adding background music, sound effects, or voiceovers. You want to add background music? Up here, you click on audio, and then you choose the music you want by searching for the artist. You can also import the music yourself by clicking on import. Then you choose the audio you want from the music and you also bring it there. So add at the bottom, then you pull it into the timeline, the bottom. Then if you also want to do voiceover, you simply click on this voiceover, and then you click on record and you say what you want to say. You can choose to for audio reduction, I just saw this enhanced voice, I want it through, it will be added there. It's as simple as that. So don't forget to experiment with all these different editing tools like filters. This is a filter, the effects, transitions, overlay, text overlay, like I said. So all this you can experiment with them, and by following these steps you can easily merge multiple video clips in Capcut and create a seamless and engaging video. It's as simple as that. So see you in the next video. Bye for now.